Nyoyo or Githeri is a proudly Kenyan yummy dish that is loved and known across all corners of the country. This versatile dish is best had with tea, a side of avocado, and sometimes even bread. Some make it with peanuts, others add meat and vegetables just to make it tastier. But today I'll show you the classic beans and corn recipe here at Winnfrey's kitchen. Let's do this! Winnfrey's kitchen! For the ingredients, we have 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 medium-sized courgette, a bunch of dhania or cilantro or coriander, 1 hoho, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, avocado, and then we have our boiled githeri. For the spices, we have a half tablespoon of paprika and a pinch of salt to taste. So I'm going to prepare my veggies, and I'm going to cut the onions into cubes. Basically, I'm going to cut everything into cubes. Ensure that your cubes are not larger than the githeri itself. So the size should be zitoshana kiplani na your githeri, isikue too big ama isikue too small. So I'm mincing my garlic first. The garlic, I'm going to finely chop it. So I'm going to prepare the coriander, and I'm going to separate the leaves from the stems. As you all know, I love using the stems of the coriander, and I'll keep insisting, do not throw them away. This is flavor. It's used to flavor food. So I'm going to put them also into cubes. So now I'm going to also cube my hoho or capsicum, or others know it as bell peppers. I'm going to remove the seeds. I'm cubing the carrots. So I'm done with the carrots. So now I'm cutting the courgette. Same process. Still doing the cubes. also done cubing this up. So I'm grating my tomatoes. My veggies. Now we are going to start cooking our githeri. We are going to heat our sufuria. Now I'm going to put my oil. So now I'm going to put my onion, the coriander stem, the garlic, and I'm going to add some hoho. So I'm going to let this cook together. I'm going to let this saute for a few seconds. I'm going to add my carrots and my coriander. So basically this is optional. There are those who love their githeri plain without this. There are those who add cabbage. Kuna wale wanaongeza waru. Yeah, so you cook the githeri according to your preference. I love mine with these veggies. That is why I have put them. So if you want to get the exact same recipe, then you'll use the vegetables that I've used. But if you don't like the veggies in your githeri, it's optional, you cannot put them. So I'm going to let this saute for another few seconds, and then we will add our tomatoes. So I'm adding my tomatoes and my spices. And I'm going to let this also cook. So I'm going to let the tomatoes blend in properly. Yeah, I'm going to let this simmer for some few minutes. So yeah, the tomatoes have blended in well. There's that thick paste that I like, so I'm going to add the githeri, the boiled githeri. Basically, you mix maize and beans together. You mix them together and then you boil until they become soft. Yeah, so you mix this slowly. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Just to get that correct. correct consistency that I like. Usiache githeri yako ikae kwa moto sana ama iive sana, because you see the beans, the courgette, they will mash. So you just let it iive tu kidogo and then utaitoa kwa moto. So I am garnishing with the coriander leaves. Yeah. And our githeri is ready. Yeah, it is ready. The githeri. Then we are going to have this with avocado. Yeah, and we are done. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more from Winnfrey's Kitchen. Follow for more.